I know that not all our viewers are Filipino. We try to speak English but not fluent. We trying hard to speak English. You know, guys. Hindi tayo laging nagsasalita ng English kaya syempre uh, we tried our best to speak English. But sometimes we need to to speak Tagalog, then English, but a little English kasi nga because we don't